zvinozobuda pachena kuti aiwa munyika yezimbabwe vanhu havatombodi kana chakanaka zvacho. Panapa vamwe vachitaura pamusoro pe the fall the general VP Constantino Chiwenga. Vari kuuya panapa vachiposta mapictures vachinzi aiwa panguva ino is being depicted aiwa as General Lenmo Samson. Sanapinda mashoko ari kuuya panapa achinzi aiwa his wife Mini aiwa akatengewa. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti ipinda panapa muzimu ai vanoposta mapictures amuri kuona aiwa kudanyura chiti in a land where bravery was measured by scars and medals. General Lenmo Samson stood tall, or at least he used to. Once the fiercest warrior known for his unbreakable will, General Samson now wandered the streets in tattered clothes, drawing laughter instead of fear. Across from him, Mini, a dazzling woman in a faded red miniskirt, laughed heartily. She was not just any woman. Mini was a traitor in disguise, sent by unseen enemies to bring down the mighty Samson. Her weapons were not swords or guns, but charm, seduction, and endless mockery. For 6 long years, Mini used her beauty and cunning to humiliate the general. Wherever he went, whispers followed, tales of how Mini tricked him, exposed his weaknesses, and made him the laughing stock of the city. Samson, once a man of irony, discipline, had fallen for a simple trap, one woven with smiles, skates, and deceit. But how could this be possible? Do you think a traitor could truly use a miniskirt to destroy Samson Lenmo for 6 whole years? Ndo mashuka anomuda panapa tiri kuona kuti aiwa these guys vari kuuya zvavo vachiseka VP Constantino Chiwenga ava muri kuona vakapfeka aiwa these tattered clothes vachiti aiwa Mini aiwa she's the one aiwa akatengewa kuzodestroya aiwa VP vachiti VP is fallen on a miniskirt. Todze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Kunyanya comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu. Don't subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.